Hello, all you lovely viewers out there, and welcome to the latest review episode from Gadmood. And today we will be introducing you to the latest offering from Samsung, which is a Samsung Galaxy A7, the 2017 series. Now, this is something that actually looks like the Galaxy S7, feels like the Galaxy S7, but it's not actually the Galaxy S7. It is something that is much more greater and much more advanced than the Galaxy S7, which is available in the Indian market for 33,490 rupees. So this is the all new Galaxy A7 2017 series, which is actually waterproof, dust proof, which actually means you will be able to carry it inside the water. Yes, you heard it right, you will be able to carry it inside the water. Now, looking at the build and design aspect of the phone, this is one of the most innovative designs that you have come across. The speaker grills, like most of the phones, is not present the bottom of the phone. The bottom just has the USB-C type charging port along with the 3.5 mm jack. Meaning the speaker grills has moved to the right hand side of the phone, and on the top we have this SIM card slot along with the micro SD slot, and on the left hand side we have the volume rockers along with another dedicated SIM card slot. So that's like a ton of innovative design into this one single phone. Even the build quality is such premium one, and this placement of the speaker actually speaks about the innovation that is pumped into this phone. And the camera on the back actually does not have any protrusion, thereby enhancing the quality of the phone in terms of build and design. So the main reason behind such compact build quality is that this phone is equipped with IP68. Now, IP68 rating actually means that the device is protected against entry of solid and foreign objects and harmful ingress of static water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes in that range. So that is a pretty good thing, and also this comes in with a 3D glass instead of the 2.5D glass. So looking at this from the technology point of view, this is something much more advanced that we are getting at this price point. Now, talking about the software of the phone, the Galaxy A7 also greets you with the TouchWiz user interface as soon as you are switching it on. So the TouchWiz user interface, as we know, is pretty much simple to use. The things are neatly laid out everywhere in the right place, in the right direction. So as you can see here, there is this app drawer where you can access all your applications. The settings look neatly arranged, and once we go into the about device option, we can actually get an info of the details of the phone, such as the 3 GB RAM, the 30 GB internal storage, and all. And we can see here that this phone actually runs on Android 6.0, which is actually, if you consider from the technology point of view, is a backward thing, because with Google recently launching the Google O, this is something which is outdated, but we can compromise that for the other options that we are getting at this price point. Now, coming to the fingerprint sensor of the phone, the fingerprint sensor is the much more advanced one that is there on this phone, because this is something that is going to function even when it is submerged under the water. Yes, you heard right. Actually, the fingerprint sensor is such an advanced one that it will function when it is submerged under the water. So you can actually get your fingerprints readed and access the phone even you have water on the surface of your finger. The accuracy and precision of the fingerprint sensor's response times is above par, and it is definitely not going to disappoint you. So just be happy that it is something that is you're going to get as a good value for money at this price range. Now, the next feature for which the A7 is pretty much famous for is the Samsung Pay services, which is a cashless payment mode that actually makes use of the NFC technology to make cashless payments on payment terminals that only support the magnetic stripe cards. The details of the Samsung Pay services are mentioned in the description of this video. Now, coming to the next sought after feature in a phone, which is the camera, we must say that the Galaxy A7 packs one of the most powerful cameras in this price range. Both front and back are of the same megapixel, which is the 16 megapixel, and believe it or not, these 16 megapixels do way more better than any other dual cams that are offered with the other devices in the same price range. The reason being that these cameras actually come with f1.9 aperture and the Smart Light Plus plus feature, so that you can actually capture bright light and sharper images even in a low light condition. And actually speaking about the camera application, this is the much more advanced version of the camera application from the ones that you can see in the previous version of the A7. And another best feature of the camera application in this phone is the floating camera button. Now the floating camera button is something which you can actually move freely around the screen for a better grip, so that you can comfortably take selfies with one hand from any angle. So all these are proof that Samsung is definitely putting in tremendous effort in its devices to make it much more user friendly day by day. So this was our comprehensive review of the A7 2017 series. We'll be back with an in-depth review of the same phone, wherein we will be going through the various other aspects of the phone, such as the details of the hardware, the chipset, and the camera testing, and the battery backup, runtime, and everything. So stay tuned to our channel, subscribe to our channel, do give a thumbs up to this video, and do not forget to press the bell button that is available just beside the subscribe button to get the latest updates on our channel.